Pharmacology. Pharmacology एउटा pharma is defined as it is the study of the action or effect of drug on living system and their therapeutic use. Pharma and clozy are their two terms. Pharma means drug and clozy is known as study, means that the study of the drugs is known as also pharmacology. And drug is defined as the substances or group of substances which affect living tissue or any substances used to prevent diagnosis or treatment disease is known as also the drug. Now we study some terminology of the pharmacology. Pharmacokinetics. Pharmacokinetics is what does the body does to the drug. It means that it deals with the absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug. Simply we known as ADME. ADME. Absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of drug known as pharmacokinetics. And toxicology. Toxicology is known as toxic and clozy. Toxic means the poison substances and clozy is known as study. That means that the science of poison which deals with origin, chemical property, toxic action. Posology. Posology is the science of drug, science of doses. It deals with the amount of drug necessary to produce a desired psychological, therapeutic and probiotic effect. And minimum dose and maximum dose. What do you mean by the minimum dose and the maximum dose? Means that the minimum amount is considered to the small dose of drug that produce the therapeutic effect. And maximum dose is considered the large dose of the drug that can be safe administration. Toxic dose. The toxic dose of the drug is considered the amount of drug that will produce noxious or harmful effect. Lethal dose means the LD50. The lethal dose of the drugs is the amount of substance that cause death. Single dose. It is the amount of that substances to be taken at one time. जो हामी एकचोटि मात्र प्रयोग गर्छौं त्यसलाई हामी सिंगल डोज भन्ने गर्छौं at once of a time. One time. Daily dose of the drug is the amount of that substances to be taken in a 24-hour period. Pharmacology. हामीले अघि नै कुरा गरे जस्तै फार्माकोलोजी दुईटा वर्डमा बाँडिएको हुन्छ. फार्माकोलोजी भनेको ग्रीक वर्डबाट आएको हो. जस्तै फार्माकोन and logos means that pharmacon is the drug and logos means the science. Science of drugs deals with the study of desirable and undesirable effect. Pharmacology is the study of drugs and their action on the body. Now, what is the pharmacology? Finally, pharmacology means pharmacodynamics. What does the body does to the drug? Pharmacodynamics. What does the drugs does to the body? Pharmacy. Prepare a suitable dosage form. Toxicology. Study of poisons actions and poison substances. Pharmacotherapeutics. The study of the use of the drugs. These are the terms of pharmacology. And these are the terms which comes under the pharmacology. And the nature and the source of the drugs. What are the nature and the source of the drugs? Minerals, liquid paraffin, magnesium sulfate, animal, insulin and thyroid, plant, morphine, synthetic, aspirin, sulfonamide, microorganism, penicillin, and their antibiotics, drugs produced by genetic engineering. Now, the medicines are original from the genetic engineering. For example, human insulin. Nowadays, the human insulin are produced by the genetic engineering, genetics of the body. Human growing hormones. Etc. These are the natures and the source of the drugs. And the drugs dosage form. What are the drugs dosage forms? Some example of the dosage forms: tablet, capsules, injection, solution, cream, suspension, aerosol. Infusion are the source and are the drugs dosage form. Again the term comes pharmacokinetics, the study of what does the body does to the drug. It is the study of ADME, means that absorption, distribution, metabolism and excretion of the drugs, the fate of the drugs. At last, the root of medication. What are the roots of medication? Terms and their meanings. Buccal, between the cheek and gum. Sublingual, under the tongue. Topical, on skin. Oral, per oral. Transdermal, platform. Intraocular, in eyes. Intranasal, in nose. IM, in muscle. IV, in vein. Subcutaneous, injection in fatty tissue. GI, gastrointestinal. NG, nasogastric. These are the root of medication.